Hello, my name is Scott Thompson. I am an instructor here at Broadway Family Karate. Today's video tutorial will be on the back leg outer edge crescent kick. So we're going to go ahead and we form this kick out of a front stance. So we're going to go ahead and get into a nice wide front stance. This is a kick that is done with the back leg. Before we even begin the motion of the kick, let's go ahead and take a quick look at your foot and make sure we're striking with the correct part of your foot. Now, if you go ahead and put your foot out in front of you, if you'll look, you have both an inner edge, and an outer edge of your foot. We are striking with the outer edge, which is part of your foot right behind the pinky toe. Okay? So that outer edge is what we are striking the target with this kick. You do want to make sure that your distance is correct, that your foot shape is correct, so you're not striking with your toes, but the outer edge part right behind the toes. So we're going to go back, okay? Right leg in front stance, kicking with my back leg. Now the kick is a straight leg kick, so we're going to try to keep as much bend out of our knee as possible. This takes a lot of strain off of it. We're starting from this position to the inside. We're going to go back out and in and then strike as we bring the foot back in. Go ahead and show you the motion. Okay, back leg and through. So it's going to come in a big circle and I'm striking at the top right there. Let's do it. Look at a few from this side. I'm going to go ahead and switch angles so you can kind of see it from a couple different sides. And I think it'll really clarify once we get it on the target exactly where we're striking. Really important, you do want to go ahead and as you're kicking, keep your toes pulled back. Okay, so you're striking with that correct part of the foot. And it just keeps your toes back out of the way from the strike. You don't want to use your toes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn off to the side so you can get a look. Back leg, so you can get a little more of an angle. Just like that. Outer edge crescent kick. Okay, keep that leg straight and your toes pulled back. Go ahead and flip to the other side so you can see the reverse side of it. Okay. And back down. Okay. Big motion. Straight knee or straight leg, those toes pulled back. Just like that. Let's go ahead and look at it on a target. I think it makes a whole lot more sense on a target. You'll see exactly what part of the foot is striking the target at what time during that kick. It's just going. Let's actually go ahead and start on this side if you don't mind, sir. Okay, so I have got my left leg in front. I'm in a good front stance, nice and wide, kicking with my right leg, which is my back leg. As you notice, my foot is on this side of the target. As I come through with my circle, it's going to come in front of my front leg, and then it's going to come back in and strike with the outer edge of my foot. Okay, keeping the toes pulled back and the knee straight as you can, like that. Big sweep, okay, pulling the toes back. Okay. You want to kind of check your distance. If you are too close, it kind of, you have a lot more bend on your knee. It actually puts a lot more strain on it. So you do want to kind of make sure you're at a good distance that you do have a nice bend on your, or a nice straight leg and no bend on your leg. Now, we do want to start pretty slow. Keep the power down, keep it about belt high, as high as you need it. Just really kind of practice the technique. Once you get a little more used to the technique, you feel a little bit better. You can go a little bit harder. You can have your partner bring it up maybe a little bit higher, just so you can kind of practice a little bit, getting some height on it. That's a nice sparring technique. Okay, let's go ahead and swap sides. Let's just once we can see it a little bit on the other side. Right? So basically what you're going to see, I'm in my front stance. You're going to see the kick as it comes to the outside before it comes in and strikes. So I am doing like that. Okay. His toes pulled back and keeping my foot nice and straight, coming inside to outside and then striking. Once I feel comfortable with the technique, okay, go a little bit higher, okay, go a little bit harder if you want to. Really kind of work. Make sure you are keeping your toes pulled back so you are striking with that correct part of the foot. Well, once you get the direction of the kick down, I think it makes a lot more sense. I really like to get this one on a target because doing this in the air, it's kind of difficult to see exactly when the kick is striking the target. But once you have a partner out there, you can really kind of work on the motion. You're just kind of bringing that foot back in, striking with the outer edge of your foot. Okay, that is our video tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. That is the back leg outer edge crescent kick. Thank you very much.